So this is some Wolverine guy, Wolverine figure, and uh I have it, but his claws are they're broken. So what I'm gonna try to do is fix them by using like toothpicks or something to uh to get those on there. So I'm gonna show you how I did or what I
Okay, so
how I
like
did it.
my uncle gave this to me a long time ago because like the things broke off and I've had it for a couple of years now and I'm gonna fix it today. So I'm gonna show you what I did, what I'm gonna do to fix it. So what I did was I got a toothpick and then I got it like I rinsed it with like warm water to kind of make it bend. And I took this magnifying thing and I sort of just like held it down on there. This one broke because I did it too hard. And I got beads from it. Uh, I also sanded them down so they're like a little more sharper and painted them silver. Um, I already all I really got to do now is just glue them on. So I'm gonna record that. I also put a little red there to be like blood because it was like cut and kind of messed up. So I just made it look like a wound. Urgh. He's angry. Oh, I might also put a little right there, and then paint that black. I like the wolves on here. They look cool. Also, on the back that kind of turns into like rock. It's a cool statue. It's also pretty old. 2004, I think. Yep. Now I'm outside. I'm gonna use this glue spray or something on on Logan here, Wolverine. So yeah, I just realized I wasn't even recording that whole time. I got the glue on it, and I realized that that's not good lighting. I realized that I don't know how I'm gonna get it on there. I'm gonna have to like cut that off. So I was just thinking of just like gluing it. I don't even know what I'm saying. Cut that out, and then that's where the toothpick would go. So I have to go and do that now. So I'm just gonna take some scissors, just like pull them out like you're ripping out a tooth or something. We're gonna have to use pliers. Yeah, this is not working. Where is it? That's the farthest I can get it to. All right, hot glue gun acquired. Just waiting for it to warm up. Then I'll glue it and then it'll be done. Nice. All right, actually, before I start gluing, I'll show how I'm gonna put this on. So, uh, dang. All right, so I'm just gonna stick this through there. Like I kind of broke what used to be there, and then just yeah, I'm just gonna glue it. I don't really know. I'm kind of sick. That's why I sound like that. This feels warm enough. It's time to glue. Yeah. Time for the sequel. Yo. That's some strong glue too. Alright. The third. Alright, the last one I'm not too sure about, but yeah. Check it out. It's done, man. I mean I gotta paint the glue back to be silver. So you know it's. But yeah, he is looking sick. I don't know how long this thing's been broken, but I fixed it. The finished product. Oh wait, I actually forgot I was gonna do stuff on its face and that, but this is the main thing. That could be better, but can't really see it from afar. It's friggin' sick.